Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Our today's topic is organizing, which is one of the function of management of Standard 12, Chapter 2. In the previous video, we have studied planning as function of management. Now, today we are going to learn organizing. Let's study meaning of organizing. Organizing is the process of identifying, bringing the required resources together, such as men, money, material, machinery, and method. Organizing comes next to planning. In planning, management decides what is to be done in future, whereas in organizing decides the ways and means to achieve these plans. Definition given by Mooney and Relly. Organization is the form of every human association for the attainment of a common purpose. Here, this definition gives us an idea that group of people should come together to achieve a common goal. Organizing is a systematic process, and each step is a task which enables people to work efficiently in the organization. Now, let's begin with importance of organizing. First point is facilitates administration as well as operation. Grouping and assigning the work is the first step in organizing. Due to the proper grouping of the tasks to the employees, there is an increase in production. It avoids confusion, delays, and duplication of work, which helps a lot in getting desired results. A good organization structure enables the superior to delegate or give authority to their subordinates. So, students, the meaning of subordinate is the person who is lower in rank or position, so that they can work in a team and help the organization to increase its productivity and reduce the wastage. And how is it possible? It is possible by proper delegation of authority. Next point is brings specialization. In every organization, there must be division of the work into small units and departments. Thus, all the employees of the organization are divided into small groups who increases efficiency. In this way, division of work helps in bringing specialization in various departments, which leads to increase in efficiency of the organization. So students, you can see in every point some key points are given. So with the help of these key points, you can frame your points clearly. Now let's move to next point. Defines the jobs properly. The first requisite of this plan is right man on right job. As in the organization, many people are working together and every individual is having their own qualification and specialization. It is role of the organization to select people for different departments as per their skill, interest, qualification and experience. Let's move to next point. To clarify authority and responsibility. Here first we'll try to understand meaning of authority and responsibility. So students, the authority which gives the manager power to command to his subordinates. It is one of the legal right of top level managers. Now, what do you mean by top level managers? In every organization, there are three levels of management. As all of you know, in top level managements, personalities are like CEO, Chief Executive Officer, Manager, Director, Board of Director, and President. So these authoritative people are able to give commands to their subordinates. Hence, the top level managers can get the tasks done from their subordinates as they have the authority to give orders, command to those who are working under them. Whereas responsibility is the obligation of an individual, or we can say promise of an individual to carry out or to complete the task, work which is given to them by their senior. Hence, subordinate is bound to perform the task given by authorized people or top level management. Sometimes there are chances of misusing of powers by authorized person which should be avoided, and through clear authority and responsibility organization would become efficient and productivity of the organization would increase. Further, we'll try to understand how to establish coordination in different departments of the organization. So, students, coordination refers to maintaining good relation and mutual cooperation with employees. Various departments are expected to work in harmony for smooth functioning of the organizational activities. In next point, we are going to study that efficient functioning of the organization leads to growth and diversification. Here, managers are responsible to select right people for right job and also to set clear roles to be done by them. Timely control measure techniques should be followed to rectify the mistakes. Growth and diversification is possible when the organizational structure is well defined. Let's move ahead to next point, creates sense of security. Every organization is responsible to provide clear job position to their employees. Enough power should be given to them so that they can perform their duties and responsibilities in a favorable manner towards an organization. A sound organization avoids confusion, misunderstanding, and overlapping of functions, which provides mental satisfaction and also sense of job security. Employees feels secured at workplace and dedicates himself to the organization. Let's move to next point, scope for innovation. Employees of an organization enjoys freedom of self-expression. They contribute new ideas. Always they want to learn something new, do something different. Due to such freedom, even managers are getting number of ideas and are able to develop talent and flourish their own knowledge. As a result, management becomes ready to adopt new methods, new technology, and due to innovative ideas, ready to change themselves as per the need of the time. All this is possible due to well organized structure of the organization. Let's move towards today's last topic, which is helps in optimum utilization of resources. So, every organization provides different types of jobs to different people. What is the right, what is the point in that? Why they do that and how they do that? It is possible due to job specification. All employees of the organization are not trained in the same way. They may have different expertise like qualification, skill, talent, and training, which should be utilized fully. For example, some employees would be from finance, some from research and development, marketing, sales, or IT department, and so on. It means they are specialized in some or other area. So, As per specialization, right workforce is allotted to them. That's why they are able to show their true potentials. An organization will achieve desired results within defined period. Okay students, only this much for today. Stay connected to MJC Learning for better understanding.